Hey, what's up, Sushiswap token holders? Welcome to another brand video. Today we will talk about the exact price target of Sushi. In this time, you will need to take an entry in long position or in short position. This was, of course, free signal for everyone. So I'm sure you will be get amazing profit, 20 to 30% profit from Sushi. So don't miss this opportunity to take a risk, and with zero risk, my friend, it's good profit. So if you want this type more free signal and price prediction videos, then the link is in the description. Join our Telegram group, my brother. You will get a free 15 to 10 signals every day. All right, guys. So Sushiswap was my friend. You can see here a price increasing totally from yesterday, my friend. You can see here, but the volume was 19.20% today, just only increased now. So this is amazing and good news for everyone. To Sushi, my friend, swap price will be increasing now, and 100% chances confirm. All right, it was pumps up from resistance line, so definitely I understand. This was just an only they will be retesting, and absolutely this time it was creating some very special now. So we are also announced now in this channel, so you just subscribe. But this time, my friend, it was created down for retesting, so I'm sure it will be pumps up and they will give you amazing profit. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. All right, thanks for watching, Sushiswap token holders. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and if you want to this type more signal, join our Telegram group. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.